So now let's dig into what was previously referred to as deferred revenue and unbilled revenue, but under the new guidance of ASC 606, it's now considered a contract asset and a contract liability. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So for whatever reason, we decided to change the terms. It's just one of those things that came down from the top, right? So in the pre-ASC 606 world, we would call things like unbilled revenue and deferred revenue. Those would be the terms we would use for contract assets and contract liabilities. So essentially, that's all that's changed in ASC 606 is the terminology itself. Unbilled revenue still represents what is called a contract asset, which is the position we would be in if we have recognized more than we've actually billed on any given contract. Vice versa, if we have billed more than we've recognized, that would be our contract liability, pre-ASC 606 terms, deferred revenue. So that's going to show how much revenue we have remaining on the contract that's been billed but not yet recognized. In RightRev, we actually track your current position in a variety of ways. As you can see within our contract metrics, we have a field here for, in this case, contract asset. If this was a contract liability, that just converts to contract liability, showing the exact amount that would be allocated to this contract. We have the ability to report on that through a variety of ways. We have our revenue waterfalls, which would determine the go forward amount of revenue that's been planned. We have a report that we have called bookings, billings, revenue, contract metrics, which is going to actually show that position along with a variety of other data to really give you everything you need to report on your contract position.